Track Weather Center. Let's get you to Mark Prater.
Yeah, we are feeling more like March than December, and it's hard to get into the Christmas spirit with it so warm and muggy outside. Yeah, I'm now the Grinch. But we do have a lot of moisture, which is moving in, some very tropical air, something you would see maybe over Miami or South Florida. Well, all that air is being transported up here. Check out our Storm Track weather headlines. Just to give you a quick rundown, we're going to stay mostly cloudy over the next couple of days. Temperatures keep warming up, and storms will at least prompt a weather aware for Sunday night. I'm going to issue that for Sunday night into early Monday morning. What about our temperatures? As we go through the overnight tonight, not a whole lot in the way of change. Notice temperatures stay around 60 through 1 o'clock, and then we're into the upper 50s, low 60s for a couple of hours. Tomorrow morning, even though we will have clouds and fog, our model data is trying to put a little bit of light rain in here. It's not out of the question to have a couple of sprinkles. I'm thinking maybe more along the lines of a little bit of drizzle. Check out the forecast Storm Track fog detection system, and this really gives you an idea of how the visibility will be in the morning. Not everyone looking at heavier fog, but we will see more of the density, and anywhere from downtown Birmingham right up 20 as well as 59. Gadsden, you'll likely have visibility issues down for at least a couple of hours. Then the sun will help to heat up the atmosphere, and that fog begins to lift by 9 o'clock. But anywhere from Hamilton down 278 over into Double Springs, Coleman, you may still be dealing with that fog as well. Temperatures right now range from 57 in Coleman to 53 for those of you in Hamilton. It's 60 now for Jasper, 55, a little cooler in Tuscaloosa. But look at this, 53 in Alabaster and Birmingham, the hot spot right now. We're looking at 62, and we have a little bit of that heat island effect going on. There is no rain anywhere across our area on our Storm Track radar. We'll stay dry tonight. There are a couple of sprinkles popping up out into the Gulf of Mexico, but that's about the extent of it. And as we go through the overnight and into tomorrow, these are some of the temperatures in your hometowns. Temperatures tomorrow into the mid and upper 70s. Now we're talking about flirting with some record highs, especially in our southern tier of counties. But then once we get into tomorrow afternoon, Childersburg, you'll hit 76, 77 in Rockford, Alabaster, Columbiana. Numbers into the mid-70s. Overnight, it will be a touch cooler in our north and east counties, where it already is down into the low 50s. But a quick recovery tomorrow, especially with that southwesterly breeze that will continue to usher in and blow in more of that tropical air from the Gulf of Mexico. So that keeps the atmosphere a bit stickier as well as a bit warmer. And the numbers across north and west counties of our viewing area, low 70s, maybe even a few mid-70s around Jasper, Summiton, back down into Carbon Hill. Around Birmingham, we'll see numbers into the low and mid-70s. Your backyard thermometer may hit 75 before all is said and done tomorrow. Here is that rain I was talking about. This is actually a brand new model run, which shows a few of the light sprinkles popping up. But overall, it's going to be tough. There's still dry air that this rain has to fall through, so a good bit of this will likely evaporate. That being said, a couple of sprinkles, enough to get the sidewalk or roadway wet, not out of the question, because that flow of moisture will just continue right out of the Gulf, and that will set the stage, help prepare us for a better chance of rain as we get into late Sunday, Sunday night, and early Monday. That will be because of a cold front, which is headed our direction, and that will bring us a shot at thunderstorms. And those thunderstorms could be strong, possibly producing severe winds west of I-65. My concern at this point will be our northwest quadrant of counties, and we're going to watch this very carefully because we are in our second severe weather season. We have to watch these systems, and I think the potential is there for a few heftier storms, but we will keep you posted as we track it. 58, mostly cloudy, patchy fog for tonight. Tomorrow looks good for the Leeds Parade. The Christmas parade will be dry, but you'll see that the thunderstorms move in late Sunday, but they're in town and out in a hurry. We start to cool down just a bit next week, and as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, rain chances again starting to go back up. I think this go around it will be all rain. So we'll keep you posted on the weather aware, which will now be in effect for Sunday night.